Healthy Life presents top 8 benefits of garlic.
Know that the average person consumes 2 pounds of garlic each year. For thousands of years, before this spice was used to flavor your favorite dishes, it was employed as a medical treatment in ancient cultures. The health benefits of garlic were used by Chinese, Egyptian, and Roman civilizations. There is substantial documentation of their usage of garlic for its medicinal properties. Garlic consumption has been shown to have numerous fantastic health benefits for the body. Let's look at the most crucial health advantages of garlic. 1. Garlic helps boost your body's immune system. Your body's immunity is what keeps it from getting sick in the first place, and it also aids in the fight against illness when the situation calls for it. Garlic offers an immune system boost to help prevent colds and the flu virus. Children get 6 to 8 colds each year, while adults get 2 to 4. Eating raw garlic can protect against cough, fever, and cold illnesses. Eating 2 chopped garlic cloves every day is the best way to benefit. In some households around the world, families hang garlic cloves on a string around their children's necks to help them with congestion. 2. Garlic helps reduce high blood pressure. Strokes and heart attacks are 2 of the most significant health concerns worldwide. High blood pressure is a considerable risk factor for heart disease. It's thought to cause about 70% of strokes, heart attacks, and chronic heart failure. High blood pressure is the cause of 13.5% of deaths worldwide. Because they are among the significant causes of death, addressing one of their primary causes, high blood pressure, is extremely important. Garlic is a fantastic spice to include in your diet for those suffering from high blood pressure or hypertension. However, even if you are not a lover of garlic, taking garlic supplements will still give you the health benefits such as lowering high blood pressure, treating fever, and many more. Keep in mind that you must make sure that the amount of these supplements you take is the same as 4 cloves of garlic each day. Be sure to talk to your doctor before you start taking any supplements. 3. Garlic helps reduce cholesterol levels. Cholesterol is a fatty component in the blood. There are 2 kinds of cholesterol, bad LDL cholesterol and good HDL cholesterol. Far too much LDL cholesterol and not enough HDL cholesterol can cause serious health issues. Garlic has been shown to lower total cholesterol and LDL levels by 10 to 15%. Furthermore, eating garlic does not influence your HDL or good cholesterol levels. If you have a family history of heart disease or suffer from heart disease, you should consider adding garlic to your diet. 4. Garlic can help with prevention of cancer. Garlic's health benefits do not end with the heart. So here is another reason why your body can benefit from an extra dose of this onion family member. According to research, consuming fresh garlic can help lessen the risk of colon cancer. According to the Iowa Women's Health Study, women who ate garlic regularly with other vegetables and fruits had a 35% lower chance of getting colon cancer. However, researchers agree that more studies are still needed in this area. 5. Garlic has antibiotic properties. Garlic contains allicin. Allicin is a bioactive antibiotic that can help fight infections and bacteria in sliced, squashed, or diced cloves. Garlic extracts have been shown to suppress the growth of fungi elements, protozoa elements, viral infections, numerous bacteria, for example, Salmonella. Allicin is believed to be a viable antibiotic replacement. It also assists when used in conjunction with conventional prescribed antibiotics. 6. Garlic may prevent Alzheimer's and dementia. Garlic has high antioxidants, which help prevent any oxidative damage from occurring in your body. These antioxidant properties can help prevent certain cognitive diseases like dementia and Alzheimer's. However, take this one with a pinch of garlic. Taking high doses of garlic supplements, however, does not mean that you will be immune to the disease. The medicinal properties of garlic can only improve health to a certain point. 7. Garlic can improve athletic performance. This ingredient is one of the earliest performance enhancers available. Garlic was used in the olden days to alleviate weariness and boost laborious working hours and endurance. It was also fed to Greek Olympic athletes to boost their athletic performance. As discussed above, garlic can help cholesterol levels, lower blood pressure, boosts immunity, reduces the length of illness. A healthy heart and body are key to keeping you fit. Ultimately, eating garlic plays an excellent role in minimizing, even if subtly, how soon you get weary when physically exerting yourself. 8. Garlic helps detox your body. Detoxification is the process of getting rid of things that don't belong in the body. It is an important part of good health and long life. We are exposed to a wide range of chemicals and compounds daily while living in the world today. Many of these compounds are not healthy and may even be detrimental to the body. The environment, water, and food include pesticides and chemicals used in agriculture, radiation etc. from nuclear plants, personal care products containing chemicals, household cleaners, other household products. Garlic is a powerful detox food that promotes glutathione production by various liver enzymes. It also provides other important detoxifying components, including multiple bioactive selenium and sulfur compounds. Keep calm and garlic on. If you enjoy this video, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like and click the notification bell so that you get notified when we upload a new video.
Thanks for watching.